Hey guys, it's Alex here from linemark.com. We are coming to the end of one of the latter 30-ish sort of weeks of the year. I can't remember exactly which week number we're in, but what I can tell you is that we've just taken, it's got a blinding green light there. I don't know if you saw that in my face. Let me turn that off. I'll show you what it is actually. Let me turn this around. Hold on. That was, blinding me, was our, whoa, there we go. That is the Lazerguide 2000, manufactured by Grayco. And we just had this delivered from Meon this week. And essentially it is a green laser level. So normally people will use like a green dot laser like we have here. Again, a little Grayco device that we have on the side so that we can see where the gun is for our starting points. But this one here just produces a green line like this. It goes up to 700 feet and it means that we haven't got to string line anything anymore. We can just literally put this reflective box at the far end, level up our machine, and away we go. So we're going to try this today at Bunzl. We've not used it before. Just turn those off and hopefully it'll go great. I'm confident everything will be fine. I'm super excited to think we can get away from string lining though, because string lining, it takes so long, and this should really speed things up. So I'm really keen to get this thing going, and yeah, looking forward to that. The other great thing we have for today, we have some new paint. We got sent some free paint by Velivine, so thank you very much to Martin Leach of Velivine. If you guys don't know Martin, you can find him on LinkedIn. Martin has been our go-to supplier for all things MMA over the past year, but he's also now sending us some single part and two part epoxy. So we've got some here today. We're going to be trialing, see how we get on with it, and I'll let you guys know in another review of the paints. So anyway, let's jump over to Bunzl. I'll show you this machine, we'll get it set up, and we'll try this brand new Lazerguide. All right, see you guys there. So we just set this Lazerguide up thinking we got it pretty much on the button there. It's about 200 meters away, but as Simon's really kindly about to point out for me, turns out I've got this thing ever so slightly skew-if, and we're currently about 2 feet off the mark already, having only walked about 5 meters. So didn't go quite to plan, and yeah, there we are, we're cleaning it up now. This actually took us so long to clean up. This paint that Martin sent to us is absolutely phenomenal, but wow, try and clean this up, and we were there so long. Managed to get it up in the end. You can see the floor in just a second, and it's looking good now. So you can see this is pretty clean. You can see where we've been on it. But hey, this floor isn't shot blast. As you know, we've been here a few times, and you guys have seen a few videos here. As Bunzl rent the premises, they're unable to shot blast the floor. And so Martin sent us this two-part epoxy to try out here. I have to say, the paint itself is phenomenal. It looks so good. It's so bright and vibrant. Just, don't mess up the lines, because wow, it does not come up easy. So anyway, back at the top of the warehouse now, it's kind of hard to get some decent angles on the camera. I had one up above and one on the ground. And what you'll see is there's like a little bit of overspray. So you get this like yellowy tinge just on the side of the line marker right behind where I'm walking. But, it doesn't stick at all. Afterwards, we go along and we just mop it up. And, it's a sort of dry mop. We don't need